Hello children, welcome back. This is Maushmi Chakravarti and today I would like to continue on the discussion on the topic communication, that is basically directing part 5. If you have not gone through my previous videos, go to my channel and watch it. So moving on to the next one, that is informal communication. When we say informal communication, we don't follow an official line of communication. It is also referred as grapevine communication, which is spread throughout the organization, its branches going out in all the direction. In this, we have single strand chain, that is the information flows from one person to the other person in a sequential order. Example, A passes information to B, who further passes to C, and so on. Second, gossip communication, that is gossip chain. The information which is of interest to all but not related to the official work. The information is passed by one person along to the rest of the organizational members. Third, probability chain, that is the information is too important, is likely to be shared with another. It is randomly passed on by one person to whoever comes in contact with him. Fourth, cluster chain, that is one person passes on the information to the selected group of the people who further passes it to other selected groups of the people. Finally, coming on to the comparison between formal and informal communication. When we talk about formal communication, it flows the official chain of command. It is slow and rigid as deviations are not allowed. It is generally accurate. Chances of wrong information are very few. Status and position of the parties are very important. It serves as a need of an organization. Whereas when we talk about informal communication, it is based on personal relationship and not allowed any fixed pattern. It is very fast and flexible. Informal message may not be authentic. Chances of wrong informations are very high. Status and positions are not relevant. It serves as for social needs. Formal communication, basically the direction of communication flows downward, upward and horizontal. Downward, that is the message flows downward through the chain of command, that is from manager to the employee. Upward, that is message flows upward through the chain of command, that is from employees to boss. And horizontal, that is the message flows laterally between the people of the same rank. I hope the entire chapter is perfectly clear to you all. The next chapter shall be continued in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Have a nice day.